Hey there, I'm Rankin Barnes, and I'd like to introduce cranking engines to you. I'm a retired automotive instructor. I taught at the community college for 32 years, and I'm a retired homeschool dad. Our kids are 28 and 32 now, so I wanted to give something back to the homeschool community. I wrote cranking engines for you, for the novice, for someone who has no experience at all in mechanical things. The course is fairly straightforward. It's as simple as I could possibly make it, but yet it's thorough. It's not a rebuilding course. It's a disassembly and reassembly course, and then hopefully the engine will start if you follow the course. Of course, you may have started with a junk engine and it may not run at all, but that's the gamble. The course is designed so that the homeschool child can work by themselves or the parent can guide them. The book is about half and half shop manual and instructor's manual. I passed along some of the tips that I learned as an instructor. And there are 60 short videos, about 3 or 4 minutes. They're amateur, like this, but they're fairly thorough. And then there are PowerPoints for each of the 10 lessons. So I wrote it for you. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks much.